Hello and welcome back to Seminar Sessions, a series where we make car care easy. Today we're going to be talking about headlights. So headlights are nice and easy. Pointing out the obvious, we can't fix glass ones. So we're going to focus on what's typically the more modern headlights and their fading and discoloration. Today we're going to look at our two-step headlight restoration kit. We have a one-step kit, but it's a bit more involved, need a drill attachment. This is nice and simple, hand application with up to and over a year's worth of protection. Just to show how simple this kit is, we're going to do a nice 50-50. So I'm going to tape down the middle, work on one half, we'll time-lapse it, make it quick, and then I'll show you the process after. I'm not the best masker. Don't burn time on being pretty. Just make sure the surfaces that you need masking up are masked up and protected. So I want to talk what's in the kit. The first step is using the Perfect Clarity cleaning solution along with the Scotch Brite pads. Now I'm going to hand apply these. They do have a Velcro backing, so you can put them on a machine polisher if you wish, but nice and simple. Product onto the pad and work away. It's like an exfoliator for your skin basically, so it's a deep scrub. It's not a sanding process, but it will give a finish like that on the headlight. You can start to see that fogginess coming in that as we're working the product. I'm going to apply a bit more on, and I'm going to work it again. I'm just going to agitate air a bit more this time. Okay, I'm getting to the point that I'm happy to now apply the protectant. It's important to note as well that during this process, this is the step that's going to get you the best result. The protection is just a spray over the top. So all the hard work now, I appreciate it's foggy, but you need to just get the most consistent finish you can. You won't get clarity until you spray the protectant on. So with the protectant, there's quite a thick product, so we always say to wait 2 to 3 minutes before our applications and do 2 to 3 applications, so just a light mist, otherwise you'll get some runs. So that's as easy as that for an application. You'll note that I've got just a little bit over onto the tape. That allows us just to check. It doesn't need to be fully cured, but it'll go tacky when it's ready for a second application. So, second application, just again a light one. Now that's pretty clear. I'm not going to do a third application. I think that's just an assessment you make on the spot. We'll let that cure, we'll take the tape off, and then we'll show you the 50-50. Pretty cool 50-50, pretty easy. Now I'm going to set about making sure that's all 100% right, and I'll do the other headlight as well. That's it for another Seminar Sessions. Just to recap, topic today has been headlights. We've been using our two-step restoration kit, which involves bringing the clarity back and adding protection up to and over a year on plastic headlights. If you've enjoyed the content today, tap the notification bell, subscribe, like, that's the wrong way around, isn't it? But how many takes has this taken? So that's staying in. If you'd like us to cover any other subjects, drop them in the comments box below and we'll do our best to cover them next time.